everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today we're going to be walking through how to transfer money from Payoneer to bank account. Some people call it Payoneer. You see, transferring money from Payoneer to a bank account is a relatively straightforward process, so I'll give you a step-by-step guide. There are some prerequisites first. Number one, you need to have a Payoneer account with a balance. 2, you need to have a bank account in your name with the correct details. That is your account number, routing number, and SWIFT code. Your Payoneer account must be verified, which includes confirming your email address and identity. Once you have this, you're good to go. Let's get into the transfer process on its own. The first thing you need to do is log into Payoneer. You can do this by accessing your Payoneer account online or through the mobile app. Next, you have to navigate to the withdraw section and click on the withdraw tab or button. Next, choose the bank transfer or withdraw to bank account as the withdrawal method. Choose any of the methods. You can choose bank transfer or you choose withdraw to bank account method. Next, you have to fill in your bank account details, including your account number, routing number, that is ABA number, SWIFT code for international transfers, bank name and address. Next, specify the amount you want to transfer. You have to specify the amount you want to transfer from your Payoneer balance to your bank account. Next, review your transfer details, including the exchange rate if it's applicable, and confirm the transaction. Now, there's something called transfer timing and fees. You see, the transfer time varies depending on the destination country and bank. Typically, transfers take 2 to 5 business days. Then, when it comes to transfer fees, Payoneer charges a transfer fee which varies depending on the transfer amount and destination country. You can check the fees on the Payoneer website. Let me give you some tips and reminders. Number 1, always double check your bank account details to ensure accuracy and avoid delays. Next, if you're transferring funds among currencies, check the exchange rates to ensure you are getting a fair deal. And lastly, monitor transfer status. So you need to keep an eye on the transfer status to ensure it is processed successfully. By following these steps, you should be able to transfer money from your Payoneer account to your bank account successfully. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.